Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. Today we have a very special video. It's actually a dedication video. Not too long ago we told you the team needed a couple weeks off in our last video. Unfortunately, before the holidays, Chef's aunt passed away. She was very close to Chef and his brother that he has. Very important in their lives, as well as Chef's daughter, as well as Chef's son as well. So we wanted to make a very special dedication to her. She was a wonderful woman, loved life to its fullest, and was just amazing person. Chef actually added the gluten-free playlist because of her. She was diagnosed with celiac several years ago, and Chef wanted to put together a gluten-free playlist, which she really loved and enjoyed. So the team did that, and we'll make sure we keep it going in her honor. So with that being said, Chef wanted to do something special today, so we're going to show you how to make some gluten-free pancakes. Gluten-free pancakes were one of her favorite meals, and I think without further ado, let's get cooking. So this was the mixer that she used. We do know it's out of a box, but it was the one she loved the most, and we were going to go ahead and cook that up. The first thing you're going to have to do is get a large bowl for mixing, and Chef's going to do the whole bag. You can cut this in half if you want. Place that in a bowl, and then just go ahead now and add your melted butter, a couple eggs, and then your milk. And that's pretty much it. Next up, very lightly just start to whisk this together until the batter kind of forms up. Then you can speed up. After everything's been whisked, go ahead and just place this in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After which, you're going to go ahead and get about a small to medium-sized pan right on the stove top, a little bit of cooking spray, and put this on medium heat. Once it's warmed up, go ahead and use a small ladle like Chef has here and place the batter right in the middle. A ladle that size will actually be perfect. After several minutes of cooking, you're going to start to see the bubbles accumulate if you've ever made pancakes, which you'll know. Give it a good quick flip, and then just maybe a minute or so on the other side. As you can see, it has a nice golden brown finish. And then you're kind of just going to keep working through these. Pancakes are pretty simple to make. Those bubbles are going to kind of tell you when to flip them. And the batter, Chef said, was really actually wonderful. This is the first time he's made this out of this gluten-free pancake mix. And it was a really nice, heavy, thick batter. They cooked nicely, and he said that it was really easy to work with. They are a little bit pricey to buy, though. A little expensive, but he said it was worth it. As you can see, it has a nice golden brown color, nice texture. And when you're done, you're just going to go ahead and plate these right up like so. And then go ahead and place a couple tabs of butter. Don't forget, everyone, the ingredients will be listed down below, and check out our blog for more information. After that, go ahead then, of course, and drizzle your maple syrup right over top. And there you have it. Chef's going to go ahead and cut these in. The team loved them. I had these for the first time. They were delicious. I've had a lot of different kinds of pancakes myself, from box to homemade, and these are definitely up there. Very, very good. I'm very, very shocked. So didn't know what they're going to taste like, but they were delicious. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us today. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Stay with us. We do a video usually every Thursday, and for all of our subscribers sticking with us, we support the love you've been giving us has been amazing. And again, today was just to celebrate Chef's aunt, who was just a joy to this world, loved everyone and everything in it, and was a wonderful person, and taught so many people so many things. So she'll be very missed, and we're going to miss you. Thanks again, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.